Hey, listen, if you blow out more than 3 trading accounts in the same week, you are stuck on stupid. Okay. Hey, listen, if you have a funded account, all right, and you have a winning day, but then you go back into the market to trade and you blow the account out, hey, listen, friend, you are stuck on stupid. Okay. I'm coming today to keep it real with my people because I want y'all to be successful. I want you guys to increase on the sudden like I'm doing almost each and every day now. I have won the last 13 days in a row in November, and I'm trying to share that with you because a lot of y'all actually have the knowledge to get wealth, especially if you have my system, but you're stuck on stupid. So today, your boy is gonna help you. I'm gonna coach you up, all right, and we gonna get you unstuck because a lot of y'all are stuck on stupid. Let's go deeper. Trading is a mental game, people. I don't have to go over all the stuff that you are doing repeatedly. The object of the game is to repeatedly make money, right? The object of the game is to do things to repeatedly be profitable. That's why you look for repeatable patterns like my second entry, like my higher low, like my lower high, like the wifey trade. It's something that repeats. Therefore, you can follow it and make money over and over again consistently. That's the goal. The goal is not to do things that don't get you to the money repeatedly, right? The goal, why would you overtrade repeatedly? You're not going to get to where you want to go, right? Why would you revenge trade repeatedly? You're not going to get to where you want to go, right? You have to do things to get you to where you want to go. And if you are stuck on stupid, okay, let me give you the definition of being stuck on stupid. Doing the same thing over and over again, expecting a different result. I think that's the definition of insanity, but we're gonna call it that you're stuck on stupid because you know it didn't work last time. You know it didn't work the time before that. You know it didn't work the time before that, but yet you're gonna do it again, right? You lose the challenge and then you buy a challenge, pay that high dollar price. You just lost the last challenge. Why would you pay full boat to get another pro account to just blow it out in minutes and now you don't wasted $500 or $1,000 instead of just $100 or $50 or $90, something like that? You see what I'm saying? You're stuck on stupid. Don't be stuck on stupid. Start, if you blow the challenge, start over again. Don't pay to get your pro account back. Now you're paying a stupid amount and you ain't ready because you just blew an account. People, let's be smart here, okay? Let's not be stuck on stupid, all right? If you've been using the very same system for 3 years and you ain't never had a profitable month, you, my friend, are stuck on stupid. Drop that system, grab mines, and let's increase on the sudden. All right, you feel me? Look at your trading. All right, and just a tidbit, you guys are just people who do have my system and in my community. Hey, y'all are not my students. Y'all are my clients. Y'all are entrepreneurs. We ain't kids out here. we doing big things, playing a big boy game. You guys are clients. You are not my students, okay? You guys are clients because you're entrepreneurs. You're doing things the right way. You're about to increase on the sudden because you've tied in to somebody who's giving you true value, real value. But you have to make up in your mind that you're gonna do the right things, because if you stuck on stupid, my system can't save you, all right? If you refuse to follow your own rules, my system can't save you, all right? So the lesson for today, the message for today, stop being stuck on stupid. And I can't save you. The only way I can save you is by making this video to tell you that you're stuck on stupid, all right? But you are the only one who can save you. Do it today, save yourself. Grab my course, grab the system, increase on the sudden, all right? So that'll wrap it up for today. I just had to tough coaching love to my clients. Y'all are stuck on stupid. Stop it. What you want is on the other side of discipline. Freedom is on the other side of discipline. Lock in, follow your rules, do things that repeat into positive results, not negative ones, all right? And increase on the sudden. Now it's time for that work study. Roll it. Hey guys, today is November 24th, 2025. This will be our work study lesson for today. We're going to start it. We're going to be trading the ES asset. I trade on 1,000 tick chart. We'll start at the beginning of the session, read the price action, catch up. Then we'll see if we can get a trade at the open today. Let's get it. Today is Monday, start of the week. So let's see what happened overnight, guys. All right, so we got a gap at the open. All right, we gapped up. Man, that's a significant gap too, man. That's about 660. That's about 30-point gap. All right, but it filled it immediately, pretty much. I mean, right here, in one shot, bam, all the way down. Now, this is my key entry point high right here. And if you see, let me show you. Here's my key entry point low. So I already know you might want to look for longs today. We gapped up, came down, filled it, stopped right at my key entry point. I mean, we stopped. Oh shoot! I moved my key entry point line. Stopped right at my key entry point, and let me get Look, we bounced once, twice, 3 times, man. I mean, hey, obviously that line is strong. And since I moved it, I ain't even gotta do nothing to put it back. I just put it back at these lows. I mean, it's touched. We got 3 touches right there. That's obviously the bottom. 1, 2, 3. Right? That's the bottom. So we got this big leg down. I would really expect another leg, but it kind of tried. See, because you gotta, let me show you. This is a trend down. We'll do it this way. This is a trend down. Here's the break. See, here's it's trying to retest. See, right here, we were supposed to retest a new low, but it couldn't because there was too many buy orders sitting right here. Therefore, whenever the market tries to do something twice and fails, it normally goes the other way really hard, as it appears it's trying to do, and that catches us up. So let me tell you what I see right out the gate, folks. We have a leg. We got a trend break. This is a second leg, folks. We're trying to, it already made a new high, right? Trend up, trend break, retest to new high. It actually just cleared it. So now we're expecting to get another leg of this distance. So 66.90 is our target, folks. The market is going to open up in 15 minutes. And let me give you the call. All right, so we are above both key entry levels. That automatically signals a buy bias for me. All right. We're currently above the 21 EMA, buy bias. We're currently in the midst of making a second leg. We've already got the new high, so we can still just keep going from this point and continue to make that new leg. So I'm going long. Easy money long is the call, okay? I'm looking for something off the 21 EMA. It's more than likely going to be a second entry long or wifey right off the 21 EMA. I don't see no range phase in our future. So it's either going to be a second entry long or wifey off the 21 EMA around the open. Stay tuned. Let's see what happens. All right. So I'm going to just clear this off. Go pray for a second. Got 14 minutes for the market open, right? Get my mind right, get my spirit right. Ask y'all to give me what to do, how to do, and when to do it. Let me see the setup coming a mile away. It's the kind of things I like to do before my trading day. And I'll be back. All right, here we go. Market is going to open in 2 minutes. They are clearly trapping shorts because the bias is up. The trend is up. We're above my key entry level, so I know to go long. But most people do not. So they are trapping shorts right now at the open. They're going to fill up, They're going to get enough people trapped. And then the trend should continue because we are owed another leg. So let's get ready.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Yeah, because we're going long. Countdown time. Oh, final minute. All right. Yep, there they go. And they trapping those shorts. And we getting the trend down, trend break. Come on, retest the new low. This little pullback could be over. We'll be a mile away from the 21 EMA. That'll set up our long, especially if it run down here for like a range fade. Either way it go, because the EMA is kind of looking like a roller coaster. So anywhere down here, I would love to buy right in this area. Oh, countdown 4, 3, 2, 1. Game time. Oh man, I'm tripping. I'm like, did the market just open? No, it did not. I was so early on that count. Sorry, y'all. We still got 20 seconds to go, people. Boy, got a little anxious. Let me calm down. Take a deep breath. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Game time. Now the market is open. Now it's favorite time of day. That's a trap. Are we gonna get the wifey? Here we go. And there's the new low. Bam. Got it. Now push down. So now we got a trend down, trend break, retest to new low. It should keep trucking. If it can't, it makes this low higher low. We'll go higher. It couldn't make it. Now you sit still. Put your hands up. We got to wait until it does what we think. Get back above the 21 EMA and give me a wifey. I need to see a green, red, green wifey setup. There's the green. Push down red. Push down red. Wifey trade coming. Here's wifey.
Order filled.
We're in. There's the win. There's the win. Keep going. I don't know what happened there, but let me lock up this dub. Lock this money up. Keep going. Close on your top. Close on your top. Keep going. Let's keep trucking.
Order filled. Order filled.
Great trade. Hey, great trade, great trade. So if you want to learn how to increase on the sudden, read a price chart, well, that was over 500, right? Make 500 plus a day. Hey, check the link in the description. Holla at your boy. My name is JD, and as always, I wish you increase on the sudden. Bye-bye.